Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If headphones are not being detected when you plug it into the computer, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, go to settings, system, and then go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then we will look for the audio troubleshooter right here. Click on the run and it will run and fix any audio issues that you have. The next thing we do is to update the driver. So we'll go to device manager and then we will expand audio inputs and outputs. Here we will look for the headphone that we have plugged in and right click on it and click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers and it should update your driver for the best driver possible. Then the next thing we need to make sure is that we have enabled and made default the device that we are using. For that we will search for sounds in the search button, or we can go to control panel also and check for sound. And then in the playback, we'll click on the playback tab. There we will right click on the headphones button and we will make sure that it is enabled. If it is disabled, then click on this and it will become enabled. Now we'll go to properties and we will make sure that it is enabled here, and we'll go to levels and we'll make this volume to the highest possible. Then we'll go to advanced and we need to make sure that this box is checked. Give exclusive mode applications priority. Check it, click on apply and then click on OK. And then after we do that, we just have to restart the computer. So click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart, and your headphones should start working fine. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.